What are your current reading habits?
Pagbasa ng libro.
What challenges or obstacles do you face when trying to read?
Kung ginapabasa kami ka maestra namon.
Types of books or reading materials interest you the most?
Wala.
Any specific strategies or methods help you to read more?
Paggamit ng visual aids.
How do you feel when you are encouraged to read in school?
Happy and excited.
What could teachers or the school do to make reading more appealing to you?
Pagtudlo sa akon magbasa.
Do you think developing to a reading habit could benefit you?
Pag-improve ka mga learnings ko.
Can you share any experience where you left motivated to read?
Wala.
What kind of support would you like to receive to improve your reading habits?
Support ka mga family kag friends ko.
How do you think your reading habits affect your overall academic performance and future opportunities?
Makapagtapos ako ng pag-aaral.